In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address on Gmail on PC. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is open a browser and go to https://myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, you'll see your Google account dashboard with all the options for personal info, security, and more. From here, we're going to click on security and sign in to manage the things that keep your account safe. Once the security and sign in page opens, scroll down a little until you see the section labeled how you sign into Google. This is where Google keeps all the information about your login methods, recovery options, and verification settings. In this section, you'll see an option for recovery email, which is the email Google can use to help you get back into your account if you ever forget your password. I'm going to click on recovery email, and it will take us to the details page where your current recovery email is listed. Next to it, there's a small edit icon, usually looks like a pencil, so go ahead and click on that. That opens up the field where you can type in a new recovery email address. Now I'm going to enter the new recovery email. Just type it carefully, double checking that it's the correct address, because Google will send verification messages to this email. Once the new email is entered, the last thing to do is click Save. Google might ask you to verify your account with your password or a code sent to your phone, so just follow the prompts if that happens. After clicking Save, your new recovery email is officially updated, and Google will now use this address for any account recovery situations. It's a good idea to make sure this email is one you check regularly so you don't miss any important security notifications. So just to recap, we went to myaccount.google.com, clicked on security and sign in, scrolled down to how you sign into Google, clicked on recovery email, hit the edit icon, typed in the new email, and then saved the changes. Once that's done, everything is updated and your Gmail account is more secure with your current email for recovery purposes. It's a really simple process, but it's important because having an up-to-date recovery email helps you avoid getting locked out of your account. Once you've changed it, you can log out and log back in just to confirm that everything works smoothly, and you'll know your account is protected. And that's really all there is to it. Updating your recovery email on Gmail using a PC is quick and straightforward, and it gives you peace of mind knowing Google has the right contact info if you ever need it. Once it's set, you're done and your account is ready to go.